In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google AI Studio to GitHub. By the end, your AI Studio app will be linked to a GitHub account so you can keep code changes synchronized and collaborate more smoothly. Make sure you're signed in to both Google AI Studio and GitHub in your browser, and allow pop-ups if you see any prompts during the process. Start by opening Google AI Studio and heading to the Apps area. From the main workspace, look for the section labeled Your Apps. This is where all of your projects live. Click that to view the list of apps you've created. Next, open the specific app you want to connect. In this walkthrough, I'll use a sample app called BrushBuddy, but you can select whichever app you're working on. Opening the app brings you into its workspace, where you can access the building blocks, previews, and code. Inside the app, switch to the Code view. This is typically where you'll manage the application's source files and integration settings related to version control. Once you're in code, locate the settings area. If the panel looks collapsed or you see a small arrow icon, click the chevron to expand additional options. This reveals more detailed configuration panels that aren't visible by default. Look for the GitHub section and select it. This is the dedicated integration point that allows Google AI Studio to communicate with your GitHub account. When the GitHub panel opens, choose Sync to GitHub. You're telling AI Studio that you want this app's code to be tracked and updated through GitHub going forward. At this point, you'll be prompted to sign in to GitHub to continue. Click the Sign In button and authenticate with your GitHub credentials. If you're already signed in, you may jump straight to the permission screen. There, click Install and Authorize Google AI Studio. This grants the necessary permissions for AI Studio to read and write code in the repositories you choose. If you're prompted to pick where to install, select your personal account or the appropriate organization, depending on where you manage the app's repository. Then confirm by clicking Install and Authorize on that account. This step finalizes the connection. When you return to Google AI Studio, the GitHub panel should indicate that syncing is enabled. From here on, your app can push updates to GitHub and stay aligned with your repository. If anything doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or reopen the app's code settings to confirm the link. That's it. Your Google AI